Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Seven by one. Hello. Ah, Asper? Oh, nandyan.
Hello everyone, hello everyone. This is Asper's Cafe. Yes, hello
Just in
everyone.
time.
Welcome
Magandang,
to my
magandang,
show.
magandang.
Hello.